Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM or memory tray so nothing moves internally. Next, attach an ESD wrist strap and clear a clean, well-lit workspace. This prevents static damage. Use the correct driver, Phillips, Torx, or Pentalobe depending on your model, and a plastic pry tool to begin removing the back panel. Take photos as you go for reassembly. Once done loosening the screws, make sure you keep each screw in its labeled spot so you won't mix sizes later. You should now locate the audio jack assembly and identify its ribbon cable and any brackets securing it. First, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts. This is critical. Then, with a plastic spudger, carefully release the small ribbon connectors. Do not pull on the wires themselves. Unscrew any mounting screws and lift the jack module straight up. If adhesive resists, apply a small amount of 90% isopropyl on a cotton swab to soften it. Make sure to note any foam or shielding pieces for exact reinstallation later. You finish by seating the replacement jack module and securing it with the original screws and brackets. Align it exactly to avoid misfit. Reconnect the ribbon cable and then the battery, making sure each connector clicks into place. Once confident, reattach the back panel and reinstall the SIM tray. Power the phone on and test headset insertion, microphone, and audio playback. If the jack isn't detected, power off, reseat the connector, or check for torn ribbons. One troubleshooting tip: if audio is intermittent, inspect for bent pins or leftover adhesive causing poor contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.